Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to switch templates on Squarespace. Let's get started. If you've been trying to switch templates and couldn't find the option, you're not alone. Squarespace has removed the ability to switch templates, but don't worry, I'll show you the alternative. So when you're logged into your Squarespace account at squarespace.com and you're on your website, head to the top right of the screen. Instead of searching for the template switch, look for the Site Styles option. When you click that, you can access the different style options for every aspect of your website. For example, if we go into Fonts and select Switch Font Pack on the right-hand side, you can see that the essence of templates is still there. You have a set of font styles you can choose from, but you'll need to adjust each element individually, as you see in the list. So you can no longer make a significant change to your website immediately once you've created it. Squarespace still offers templates when you're first setting up your website, but you can no longer switch between those initial templates once the site is live. It's actually more straightforward now. Rather than dealing with different themes, you have a handful of style options neatly organized. It's a simpler approach. Yes, it's a bummer that you can't switch templates, but adjusting site styles is your go-to move now. It might feel like a small setback, but it's the best we've got for now. I hope this clears things up for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.